Hello everyone, I Priti Anand, working as TGT Maths in Tecnia International School, is here to deliver a lecture on the topic fraction. Fraction is a very interesting topic. Fraction can be used to describe part of something or to divide something. Fractions are very useful in our daily life and learning them is an important skill. Fraction help us with many daily tasks and jobs. The children should be aware about the different terms used in fraction. So today I will tell you the basic concepts of fractions. Fraction is a part of whole and this whole may consist of single object or a group or collection of objects. For example, I have a cake and I cut it in 4 equal parts. Then each part is of 1/4 and each piece is of 1/4. Now suppose I eat one part of it, then 3 parts are left. So the fraction of left piece is 3/4 or 3/4. Let's take another example. I ordered one pizza. It was cut into 8 slices. I ate 2 pieces. So what fraction of the whole pizza did I eat? The slices of pizza I eat are 2. The total number of slices are 8. So the fraction is 2/8. So let us understand what is a fractional number. A fraction is written as P by Q form where P and Q are whole number and Q is not equal to 0. Division by 0 is not defined. Here P is called the numerator and Q is called the denominator. What is a numerator? A fraction has a numerator which says how many parts in the fraction. Numerator is written above the horizontal line. And so denominator is 1 which is the whole, that is, which tells how many total parts are there. Types of fraction. There are different types of fractions like proper fraction, mixed fraction, improper fraction, unlike fraction, equivalent fraction, unit fraction and whole fraction. Now I will explain each of them one by one. Suppose I have a fractions like 5/11, 3/7, 1/9, 6/13. Here we notice that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So these types of fractions are called proper fraction. Proper fraction are those fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator. Example 2/5. That is, there are 5 pieces of apple and I ate 2 out of it. So the fraction becomes 2/5. Here numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction. Suppose your father gives you 3 apples and asks to share them equally with your sister. How will you divide them? You will share 1 apple each. The remaining one you will divide into equal halves. Both you and your sister will take 1 half each and so will get 1 full apple and 1 half. And same your sister will get. Yours and your sister's share can be written as 1/2 or 3 divided by 2 or 3/2. In this fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is an improper fraction. Hence, improper fraction are those fractions where the numerator is either equal to or greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction. You can define a mixed fraction as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 1/2, 3 2/3, 4 1/5, 6 2/7 and so on. Like and unlike fraction. Like fraction are those in which denominator is same like 2/7, 3/7, 8/7 etc. Unlike fraction are those in which denominator is different. For example 4/5, 5/7, 3/6 etc. Now if I have fraction like 1/18, 1/9, 1/10, 1/13, we notice that numerator of all the fraction are 1. So the fraction with numerator 1 is called unit fraction. So unit fraction are those fractions in which numerator is 1. Whole fraction are those in which numerator is equal to the denominator like 7/7, 5/7 etc. When we divide the numerator with the denominator, we get 1 as the whole number. Equivalent fraction have the same value like 4/8 is equals to 8/16 where the ratio remains same by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the non-zero number. The value of equivalent fraction does not change. Also, by dividing the numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number, we can obtain an equivalent fraction with the same value. Converting mixed fraction into improper fractions. You can convert mixed fraction into an improper fraction by using this formula: whole number multiplied by denominator plus numerator. For example, 3 1 by 2 is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which becomes 7 by 2. Here 3 is the whole number, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. First we will multiply 3 with 2, so I will get 6, and then we add 1 to it, so the answer becomes 7 by 2, which is an improper fraction. Addition of fractions. When we have like fraction like 4 by 8 and 2 by 8, we add the numerator 4 plus 2, which becomes 6, so the fraction becomes 6 by 8. Addition of unlike fraction. We change unlike fraction into like fraction using the LCM of denominator. Add the fraction and change to mixed fraction. As you can see in the example here. Here we are adding 3 by 4 and 1 by 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now the new fraction becomes 9 by 12 and 4 by 12. Adding them we get 13 by 12. That is 1 by 12. Multiplication of fraction. For example, there is a chessboard and you have to find out its area, where the length of its one side is 5 3 by 4 centimeter. So to get the answer, we need to multiply the side with the side, as chessboard is a square. So when we multiply 5 3 by 4 with 5 3 by 4, we get 23 by 4 into 23 by 4. Multiplying the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, which will become 529 by 16. We always give the answer in the lowest form or in the mixed form. Like here, we are multiplying 2 by 7 and 3 by 5, where the answer becomes 6 by 35. Here we have multiplied the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Division of fraction. To divide a fraction by a fraction, we multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the divisor. Now I am giving example. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 and the divide sign will change into multiply sign, and 1 by 6 will be reciprocated, which will become 6 by 1. So the answer becomes 6 by 2, which is equals to 3. I hope you understood the topic. I will come up with such more interesting topics. Thank you so much.